Hey coders, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to learn that what is binary search and how it works. So this video don't provides any implementation of that in any programming language. So if you want the implementation of binary search, then you can visit our channel and there you can get the implementation of binary search in different programming languages. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first let me tell you that what is binary search. So binary search is a system or technique that is used to search a particular information from a big set of information quickly and rapidly. So let's say that we have a list of 8 elements and we have to search for an element in this list. So let's say that element is 29. So we are going to search 29 in this list. So one of the easiest way we can do this is by checking for all the elements in this list. From the starting of the list till the end of this list. So we will check for the first element and then for the second and then for the third, and we will continue this until we get our element or the list is over. And if the list is over, in that case our element doesn't exist in this list, but in this case our element exists in this 7th position. So this is one way of doing this, and this way is known as linear search. Means we are searching for one element from the starting of this list till the end of this list. So now let's see a real life example of searching for information from a big list of information. So now let's say that there is a teacher and the teacher has 100 answer sheets of the students in a class, and that those sheets are arranged alphabetically by name, and a student, let's name the student Peter, comes to the teacher and asks for his answer sheet. So now what the teacher will do, to find the answer sheet of Peter, the teacher will turn around some random number of pages from the set of sheets, and then she will see the name. And let's say after turning around a random number of pages, there is the sheet of Mark. So now the teacher knows that letter P comes after M. So she also knows that the answer sheet of Peter must be after the answer sheet of Mark. So what she will do, she will turn around more pages after the sheet of Mark. So now she got a sheet of, let's say, Walter. So she knows that P comes before W. So now what the teacher will do, she will turn around some pages before Walter, and in this way she can get the sheet of Peter easily, and she doesn't have to check for all the sheets in that big stack of 100 answer sheets. So in this the same way binary search works. So to use binary search technique to search for an information from a big list of information, the list of information must be sorted, means the information must be arranged in some order. So in that case only we can use binary search to search for an element in that list. So let's see that how binary search works. And now let's say that we have the same list of elements and we are searching for the same element 29, and in binary search what we do is that we don't search for each element starting from the list. What we do is that we search first for the middle one element. So this 12 is the middle element in this list. So in this list the middle element is 12, so we will check that if 12 is equal to 29 or not, and we know that 12 is not equal to 29, and what we know is that 29 is greater than 12. So what we will do, so we can tell that 29 must be after this 12, so 29 must be somewhere between 17 and 35, and we can say that 29 should not in this and this, because all the elements on the left of 12 must be smaller than 12 and 29 is greater than 12, and we have to search for the element which is greater than 12. So the element must be somewhere here. So now what we will do, we will search for the middle element again in this part of the list only. So in this part of the list, the middle element is 21. So 21 is not the element we are looking for, and now 21 is also smaller than 29. So now what we can say is that 21 is not our element what we are searching for, and 17 will also not be the element which we will be searching of, because 17 is smaller than 21 and 29 is greater than 21, so it must be somewhere in this part of the list. So now we will search for the middle element, and the middle element is 29. And why the middle element is 29? Because the length of this list is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we will search at the first element. So this is our middle element, and this is the element that we were searching of. So in this way we can get our element. And what number of iterations we have used to find our element in this way? We have searched for 12, and then for 21, and then for 29. So in the third iteration we got our element. And when we were using the linear search, how many iterations do we used to get 21? So let's count. We have searched for 5, then 7, then 9, 12, 17, and 21, and then 29. So it took us 7 iterations to find 21 29 this way. So binary search is very fast as compared to linear search. This is how binary search works. So in the next video we will see the implementation of binary search in Python. So to get notified for that video, subscribe the channel. And if you find today's video helpful, then don't forget to like the video, and if you have any doubts then comment down them below, and I will surely reply to all your comments. And thank you for watching the video.